Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Celluloid. Most of you are probably familiar with this. Some of you may not be. But either way, it's a fun material to play with. So years ago, there was a company that was looking into making some cat feet. Fivu, get out of here. They were looking at making some cards that you could keep in a kit in a wallet, use as a bookmark, wherever. And these were the sample kit, the little sample bag that I got from the company. So they were sourcing this actual celluloid material that guitar picks are made out of. Celluloid is a good it's a good nerd out subject. You can go and check it out. It's kind of like the first form of plastic that there is. And on top of that, it's flammable. Like this flammable. Watch. Close this. So this is just one that I cut a shape of a guitar pick out of. That wasn't a very good example, but it was easily lit, and watch, it'll burn to nothing. Like there will be nothing. What's that? Oh, just a rock. So that material being said, see, it's raining out here a little bit. With proper prep, one of these dudes could easily get a fire going. You could time that. I'm not exactly sure when I started that, but you can timestamp that on the video if you want to know roughly how long that it burns. Butch! Inappropriate! Butch is ripping big old stinkers over there. You can't do that, buddy. Come over here. Come sit by Dad. Come sit by Dad. Can't be crapping your pants. Can't be crapping your pants when I'm trying to video, okay? Okay, baby boy. Come on, sit down. Sit down. It's okay, baby boy. Lay down. Lay down. He's gonna lay down right on the camera. It's okay, baby boy. Okay. Sorry. So he may kick stuff over, but a box of picks like this, I think, was maybe, I don't think it was $10. I'd have to look and see, but, and it come with a bunch of them, and there are a bunch of different sizes. So 1 millimeter, 1.2, 3/4 of a millimeter, about a half mil. Well, here's a half. Here's 0.58 millimeters. There may be more if we keep going through here and just looking at 0.084. So what? Be like 7/8 of a millimeter. How you like that? Me using both of our measurements at the same time. But of course, the thicker, the better you'll probably get out of it. The thin ones burn up pretty fast. But point being, you could take, don't I mean, they're great fire starters, I'm not gonna lie. I like the fire tabs from Pro Camp Tech. Like, I'd normally use those, but one of these, like my fire plugs are in here. They're in a, oh sorry, they're in a deal right here. But I could totally fit a couple dang, what do you think? Do 1.2 mils. Just because it's a little thicker. Phil, come here, buddy. 8.4. Took all the orange ones out. Just poke one down in there like that. We'll see how it rides. And with my fire kit. Or in a wallet. And then, if somebody's like, oh man, I sure do wish I had a guitar pick. Look, these guys are getting rained on. See the... And we can rub it. Let's see how she burns. Yeah, once you get it lit, she goes. This was wet, but I raked all this stuff out of the way just to... Oh, but it can get a rain on. Anyway, you can take and scrape these guys up. It's hard to... So I just fluffed just scraped it a little bit. Yep. This might be harder to do then. It's rainy, just about. Come on, baby. Just gotta get it in the right spot. Oh, crusty. Oh. May not been enough. I wasn't gonna do this, but now we gotta do it because we can't be defeated, right? Just like everything else with proper prep. There. So it can be done with ferro rod. It's just as easy to light it with the lighter, you know. Piece of fatwood. You know, there's all kind of flavors, but this is just a fun one. Celluloid guitar picks. Old school ping pong balls were celluloid too. Pretty cool. Anyway, I just wanted to share. I appreciate the support. You can check out older stuff at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram, bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Later.